Deep frying chicken. It was a little too hot. We had to turn it down. Deep frying some chicken. See how it turns out. Well, I'm at it again, making some ribs on the Oklahoma Joe smoker. A little hotter than I want it. Forgot to shut the door once I got it going. But we'll see how they end up turning out. Using some apple wood and charcoal in the smoker box. That's all for now. Cooking some hamburgers and brats for the first time in this state. Making hamburgers and brats on the Oklahoma Joe smoker. Hopefully they still taste good.